Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and today I have a Beebeecraft to share with you. It's with the heat sheet film kit. I'm gonna share that. If you too are wanting to be a partner of Beebeecraft, you must have 100 subscribers. Fill out their form on their page, and they will contact you via email and offer you a certain amount of money, and you will be able to choose items of your choice. You then do an unboxing and 2 tutorials on your channel. And they have an array of items to choose from, such amazing assortment. You definitely won't have a problem finding something on there. Okay, so let me do a recap of what you get in this kit. So you get 26 sheets of shrink film paper, plus you get 6 of these, which show images that you just color up. There's one right there. And then there's a Halloween one. Here is a Christmas one. Here's just a fun critter one, maybe for spring. And then here's a fun boy one, or sports. So you get that. It also includes the hole punch, some scissors, some tweezers, and then you receive some of these button clasps. You receive some key rings. You receive some earrings. You receive these little dangle charm holders. And that is it for the kit. So let me do some shares of what I've already made. So right here, I did this flamingo, and I backed it with one of those little pens so you can pin it to your shirt or your jacket or whatever you want to pin it to. But these are so cute. I also did one more of the pens, and I did this one in a little bubble gum machine. So all you do is you stamp them out, cut them out, put a little hole in them, and then you shrink them. Did that. I also made a key ring with this cute little cherry that was included in the kit. Isn't that just adorable? And then I made this other flamingo, which you can use for, the other cool thing you can use these for are making little doodads to put in your shakers. Okay, so on to showing you how to do this. So the first one we are gonna do is a gnome. So how I got this gnome on this paper, my suggestion is using your StazOn ink, and then we'll just stamp it up. I'm going to show you how easy this is and how much fun. And you want to make sure you get a lot of ink on it so that when you stamp it, you get a good impression. Okay. That should be perfect. And then you just stamp it and press. And there you have it. So then you're gonna color it up. And I got some Crayolas here, and that's what I'm gonna use to color her with. And just color it in. Like so. And you can use any kind of colors that you want to use, any medium of colors. But I liked using these Crayolas. I thought that they came out really good. And I showed them in a previous video on crafting on a budget. We'll do these two pink. And we'll do the red. See, the image is just coming to life. I'll do her shirt. Okay, and do her hair. Give her some blonde. These are so much fun. I really enjoyed this kit. It's easy, and it was amazing using it for the first time. Give her little nose a little color. And let's get that heart colored up. Okay. Next, you're going to want to cut it out. And you don't want to cut it exactly on the line because you need space for it to shrink. And you're also going to need space for the punch, unless you're going to use it as shaker bit. But I'm probably going to do a little dangle with it, or maybe even a keychain. So it just cuts right out. You shape it any way you want. And then we are gonna watch the magic happen. Okay, let me get the tweezers, because you don't want to burn yourself when you're using your heat gun. So it might get a little loud. But we are just gonna heat this up, and it's gonna look really strange when it starts to heat up. And you're gonna think that it's messing up, but it will not. It will straighten out. There it is, straightening out. And then I like to push it down. There you are. So it is shrunk. And I forgot to put the hole. So this is going to be a shaker bit. And it is a little warm when you first touch it, just so you are aware. But this is what it makes. Isn't that adorable? I just love it. So there's our little gnome. Okay, now we're gonna do one more of the pre-cut, because they come with those pre-cut ones I showed you. So I went ahead and colored that one up. And here it shows you where to do your hole punch. So I don't want to forget that this time. So you take your hole punch, you go right in the hole, give it a good punch. And I colored it up to save time, and so we're going to do that process again. And it looks really crazy, like it's not going to work when you first start doing it. But it heats to where it flattens out, like so. And I just think that is so cute. So now you have a miniature strawberry. Okay, let's do that on a key ring. We are gonna use some jump rings, which I also recently had purchased from Beebeecraft. Well, I didn't purchase, it was in one of my design team kits. So we're gonna take out a jump ring. We are gonna bend that open like so. We are gonna feed that into the hole. If I can see. Am I going the wrong way? There we go. So then you just wanna get your key ring, get you a key ring. Which I'm getting right now. Open up the little bag. And then you get this. So then you want to put this inside also of the jump ring before you close it up. And then I just bend it back together. And now you have your own key ring with this cute little strawberry, guys. It turns out so cute. I love it every time. And you see how well those Crayolas do. They give you really good color once they're heated. So I hope y'all enjoyed my project share. And if you're interested, I will have everything down in the description box. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.